Welcome to our video tutorial series on Destiny Library Manager.
Today's topic will be using HTML code to embed media like symbols and YouTube videos into your Destiny Library Manager splash page. Today we are going to be talking about how to embed media into your Destiny Library Manager splash page. You can see I have opened Symbaloo and my Destiny Library Manager catalog. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click Edit Page. And then I'm going to click this pencil. This is going to let me open up my introductory text. I'm going to come over to my Symbaloo and click Share. I'm going to click the WebMix Info and Share options. It's going to let me name my WebMix and then decide how I want to embed it or how I want to share it. I can either share it via email or via embed code. You're going to want to get the embed code. So click Embed Code. You're going to simply highlight the embed code and copy it. I'm going to come over here and in a new line, I'm going to right click and press Paste. I'm going to click Save. I'm going to click Home, and you'll see that my Symbaloo is now embedded into the Destiny Library Manager splash page. So we've already discussed how to embed a Symbaloo, but now we're going to talk about how to embed a YouTube video. You can see I have my YouTube video up and I have my Destiny Library Manager ready to go. We click on that pencil again. And then on the YouTube video, we click Share. You're going to want to click Embed. You're going to copy that whole code. And then you're going to paste it into the body here. You're going to click Save. And when I click Home, we can see that my video is embedded in my splash page.
Thank you for watching this video tutorial on Destiny Library Manager.
Today's topic was embedding media into your Destiny Library Manager splash page. For more information on this topic or any other aspect of Destiny Library Manager, please contact Library Media Services. For more information on the products shared during this presentation, visit our website, librarycurrent.palmbeachschools.org, or visit our YouTube channel, PBCSD Library Media Services.